Ebola scare in Loveland this morning. The state health department thought someone who recently traveled to Africa may have the virus. Fortunately, this person has tested negative.
7 News reporter Lindsay Watts finding out how our state handles possible cases and why there are still concerns, even with the outbreak in West Africa now subsiding. Lindsay?
Mitch and Kelly, we are not hearing as much about Ebola now, but the world's largest and longest outbreak of the virus is not over yet. More than 10,000 people have died, and there are still new cases in West Africa, primarily in Guinea. The state health department isn't saying where the person who developed symptoms in Loveland was traveling, only that it was somewhere in Africa. The person got sick last night and then was taken to the medical center of the Rockies in Loveland. We're told every precaution was taken, and the patient was in isolation for hours as testing was underway. The health department says it continues to take the Ebola threat seriously. And if someone who's traveled in an Ebola-affected nation is found to have any symptoms of the virus, the hospital is supposed to notify state health officials and go through safety protocols just in case it is Ebola. I'm told the person in Loveland was at a low risk because he or she never had contact with someone who was sick. But again, nobody wanted to take any chances. There have still been no confirmed cases of Ebola here in Colorado. Back in January, we told you about an Arvada man who also traveled in Africa and developed symptoms, but he also tested negative. Reporting live, Lindsay Watts, 7 News.
All right, Lindsay, thank you for the update right now.